to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is all about how to comb out your natural hair. I'm going to teach you all how you can do it through the way in which how I comb out my natural hair. And let me tell you, when it comes to me combing out my natural hair, I try to make it as painless as possible. This is my hair that hasn't been washed in almost 2 weeks. This is my hair not blown out, just in its natural state. If you have hair similar to mine, this tutorial is definitely for you because you know how it is when it comes to combing out our hair. We have different styles, techniques, and definitely we build our muscle combing out our type of hair, okay? You guys are gonna see how naughty my hair is and how it was sticking up east, west, north, and south, and I was just like, I need to comb out my hair. So some people might find this video very therapeutic. Some people will learn a few things, and if you're new to my channel, I suggest that you subscribe because I do a lot more natural hair videos similar to this. Follow me on Instagram at Annesha.Adams if you want to stay connected to me. Okay, we're going to comb out this hair. I've been washing my hair for a week and a half now. My hands cannot go through my hair, so we're going to comb out this together. I started parting my hair to comb it out. Trust me, my hair hasn't been combed out for days and it's so dry, but we're going to take care of that today. I'm going to show you all how I comb out my natural hair. You can tell how much my hair has been combed out based on how bulky and big it is right here. But I'm going to comb out this, comb out this. We're going to comb over here. We're going to part this in two as well. Okay, so I did this side of my hair already. All I did was just comb it out like I usually do, and like, wow, I can actually put my hands through it. So we're gonna do this side and my hands won't come out. So this is the difference. The first thing you want to do is be very gentle with your hair. I always am gentle with my hair. Do not rip out your hair, do not pull it, don't tug it, you're just gonna make yourself cry. Parting your hair with a comb is so unnecessary. When you use a comb to part your hair, you're just adding in more pain, and you want to avoid pain when it comes to combing your hair. We are just combing out your hair, so parts are not a big deal. At the side of your hair, so that's what I do. And then I'm just gonna separate the two sections of my hair, and I'm just using this is like a hair tie. And again, I part it just with my hands again. I twist this part. If you have a clip, go ahead and clip your hair. If you don't, I just use a little section of my hair tie and then tie it in. Now what you want to do after doing that, you want to start combing out your hair from the bottom. You comb from the bottom. So when you comb from the bottom, you're reducing the amount of hair that's going to be pulled out your hair. You're reducing the amount of pain that you will get, and you're just going to make the process so much faster and easier and seamless. So you start from the bottom and then you make your way up on your hair. With hair textures similar to mine, or just with overall knotty hair, you don't want to have your hair and start from the top down. You're going to cry. And then once you're all the way up, your comb can go seamlessly through your hair. I'm going to go wash my hair after this, and before I go washing my hair, I always make sure to comb out my hair first, so the process is not as hard and difficult in the top. So next you take out the other piece, and again I just go in and take out another section. Working in sections are so much more easier for your hair. I know some people, they're like, oh my gosh, when I comb my hair, so much hair comes out. That's normal and that's okay, and that happens to everybody. Just to reassure anybody who's like that, when you are combing out your hair, that's what's supposed to happen. You're supposed to have hair coming out. And that's the dead hair that's coming out. That's the hair that you just had to tear out as well because your hair was just that naughty. So it's okay. It's taking out the old hair and promoting new growth for the fresh hair that's coming in. All of my sections are combed out well. That my comb can actually go through this section. Now we're going to work on this side right here. On this side, you just do the same thing. And as you can see right now, this is how much hair has been coming out, which is actually really surprising. I actually have more hair that comes out usually. I always feel like the front of the hair is always so much more easier to comb out. I don't know what it is. Start from the bottom, go up. Trust me, the process gets easier as time goes on. Your hands might get a little bit tiring. You might gain a little bit of more muscles doing this, but it's all for the better. Right here, my head is the most tender. I don't know why. I always recommend using wide tooth combs when combing out your hair. Now the reason why I would say using wide tooth combs, these type of combs actually work the best with hairs similar to mine when it comes to detangling, because when you have a wide tooth comb that is this big, it does not rip out your hair. When you have a smaller fine tooth comb, that actually rips out your hair and it actually doesn't even comb it out really well in comparison to something like this. This can easily go through your hair strands and comb it out gently. Just take your time as you go up more sections. Is it just me alone that after when I comb out my hair and then I go through it a second time, I feel like it got naughty all over again? I don't know if it's just me that happens to. Well, comment down below or look at this video if that happens to you too. That's it for today's video. Thumbs up this video if you definitely did enjoy watching it, or you just found something useful, or you found it very therapeutic. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you can be the first one to know when I upload, and I definitely will want that. Yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.